There's no question, I do not want a cream house.
We did this with maybe that?
Yeah.
That's nice. I don't know that I like this idea. Welcome back to another house update video. Today's a big day. It's a really big day. Right now I'm looking at the house and it looks the best that it's looked the entire time. You guys helped us decide which stucco color to go with. We had the 3 options. We did choose one of those. We went with number 1, Leslie's option. Welcome to our almost finished exterior of our home. Check it out. I know I was concerned before about it being too creamy looking. I can't remember exactly what I said in the video.
There's no question, I do not want a cream house.
I love the color of it. If we would have gone as stark white as the one that I wanted, it probably would have been too bright because I'm not seeing any creaminess in there or whatever she said. It definitely just looks white with like a hint of gray. And right there where it is black, that is going to be some sort of precast stone. So it's going to go around it. And then I think we'll have like a sidewalk that comes out with a few pillars there. Once the stucco is all finished around the house, and especially up top near the roof line, they're able to finally put in the roof tiles. Now it rained just a little bit the other day, and our tiles are supposed to look dark. They look a little bit white-ish, I would say. And over the next 4 days, it's gonna do something that it's only done once the entire time that we've been building this house. It's going to rain. We live in the desert, but yeah, it's supposed to rain a ton. And so we made another decision on the driveway. We're going to be going with some sort of, what are they called? Not concrete, pavers, that's what it is. We're going with pavers on the driveway. Because we're doing the pavers right here and because they want to get moving on it really soon, they're preparing for the rains by putting down this like black asphalt looking stuff. It's gonna look so beautiful. If you don't know what pavers are, I think one example to show you is when Zach from Jerry Rig Everything in Cambry, when they did their video about buying my Tesla, the gray one, which I'm still sad that I don't have it anymore, they filmed a lot of that in a parking lot that had pavers. So this is what pavers look like. They're a really nice addition to a home, and I think it's gonna really complement the house really well once it's all done. I'm gonna make an entire separate video on the pavers going in and like how that all works. But for now, I wanna go inside and show you the paint choices that we've done on the inside of the house, and we have a few decisions to make. Leslie should be here somewhere. What you guys doing? Some sort of drug deal over here or what?
Serious carpet drug deal going on.
Carpet drug deal.
We need you to decide your studio carpet.
Right now, this moment?
Well, and verify you don't want wood floor in there. You want carpet, right?
I'll take carpet.
Okay.
Carpet sounds great.
Susan, which one are you thinking for the studio?
For Dan's studio, I think you'd need to go dark enough because it has a lot of points of entry, the big slider. There's enough traffic and what you want to. So I think you gotta go dark enough that it's gonna look modern and also cool. So I would look at anything in the darker grays. This guy is kind of cool, but it's got a little blue in it. Maybe that's a good thing. But something
like
in
this one, the chateau. We did this with maybe that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
I know. This is what we were hoping for. Because you've
that
got
the
a
deal?
kitchenette, you have traffic,
Decision made.
you have a hallway. This means you can make it all function
Whoa,
well.
that guy
and
just
look
dumped
awesome.
all that load right there. He was circling for a while trying to figure out how to get in there.
I just don't roll it load right there.
Siri, what? Why do you answer? She just listens to me. My watch just listens to me just randomly. Let's go inside of the studio. We need to show you guys. They actually painted it. And then I went in and looked at it and I'm like, almost threw up in my mouth because it looks so bad. All right, into the studio we go. We are in the studio right now and we opened the door almost all the way. It's so awesome. Like you can just see the pool. It's gonna be right out there. You know that we're gonna be filming a video and then as soon as we're done and we're so excited, we're just gonna run out and jump in the pool because we just finished something epic. So I think it was a very good decision to put the pool so close to the studio. This is the paint that we did that, you know what? I'm not throwing up as bad as I thought. It looks pretty good on camera.
This is new.
This is the new color.
This is the new color.
Oh.
Where did they paint it?
Like your master, because we had to fix it in there, and then we're giving you accent colors in here.
It's a different color than the one that I threw up in.
Whatever accent color you want for in here. Gray.
I mean, I still feel like it needs to be a little bit more gray, maybe.
Yeah, this is your wall right now.
Okay, so this is what we have right now. Silver satin, and then what?
And then you can go grayer, like a grayer gray owl, or more of a true gray, Stonington gray.
I would feel more comfortable with the one that's not as dark, but whatever you think is best.
I kind of like the dark gray, like our old house. kind of like the Stonington Gray. I feel like that's our theme. If you remember from our family room where we used to film, no, it wasn't even a family room, it was our dining room, and it was gray in the background. And then when we went to our studio, we painted the wall gray. And this right now is just a lot lighter than I think that I want to have. I feel like once we turn on the bright lights and everything, it's not gonna look as good. It's gonna be just too bright. So I think I wanna go dark gray. Yeah, let's do this one.
Okay.
Stonington, how does it look with the carpet choice? Is it too?
And the floor, so you've got a cool floor.
Yeah, okay.
And then your carpet.
Ooh, chateau.
Pretty
I wonder
good.
if, should we go lighter? Or no? Ooh, maybe that matches
I
up too
love
much.
lighter, but
Do ya?
I always love lighter.
I kind of like that silver tea. It's such a tease. Ooh, or what if we did like a light blue with it? Is that too
I
weird?
think you gotta go true blue if you're gonna go blue. If you go light blue, people think you're colorblind because it's not. But if you want to go blue, no. In the house, we have black doors.
Black doors in the house?
Yes.
All the house.
Wow.
These doors will be painted black. Out here, do you want the same, or do you want to go like a dark charcoal, almost black, like or try to match like the metal on your door or something, or just black, or gray.
Black sounds good. I don't care.
We're so glad when you come here to make decisions. We can make decisions on everything else, but the studio is yours.
So this is the hot tub right here. Oh my gosh, it's a legit hot tub. Look at all the metal. Oh, there's the seating right there, all the way around it. And then we'll have a couple of pillars like right here that are maybe that high that you can jump into the pool. But look down there, look how muddy that is. And they've got this pump right there that's able to pump out the water, and they're preparing for the rain, but it was full. It was like a legit natural pool. Look right there, those are lights. Look right there, lights. Over there, lights and lights. So we have a bunch of lights, so it's gonna look really cool, but I'm loving this pool. It is so long. It's not as long, okay, you're probably wondering how long it is. I think it's 67 feet. Your standard swimming pool at like a high school or a college, when they're swimming laps, is 75 feet, I'm pretty sure. 25 meters, which is 75 feet. So we're shorter than that, but it still looks pretty long. I mean, look at this. It's gonna look so awesome back here. Oh geez, look at the walls right here. It looks like they're kind of collapsing a little bit from all that rain. Just so you know how the pool works, it's going to be self-cleaning, so it'll have these little jets that pop up and spray and push all the dirt down to the end, and then it takes all that and does stuff. Plus you have to have your chemicals, whether you do a saltwater pool or a chlorine pool. And then you also have some sort of jets and systems that will push the water and go through it. And so we put that on the back of the RV garage or the Tesla Roadster garage. And right now, you can see like the pool's right over here, and then there's pipes that go right under here, goes all the way under to the house. There's underneath the RV garage. What's inside our RV garage? It's that. And then back here is a door. And this is it. I mean, look at that right there. There's the whole, they had to, oh my gosh, they had to totally dig out all of the concrete in here just to make way for all of this PVC pipe that's going to run it. And then at some point they'll throw other stuff in here, and you can't access the garage from this room. It's just a straight pool room. So yeah, that's what's on the back of our RV garage. It's coming together, guys. And we do have a deadline. We are planning on having it done by February 1st. That's our deadline. We are planning on moving into it on March 1st. I know that's kind of confusing, right? We need to explain that in a future video, like what's going on. But February 1st is the target date. So we have a couple of months, which is good, and we're pretty far along, but I've never built a home. I can tell with some of the subs, they're a little bit nervous, like the flooring guys, and some of the people are like, oh man, we gotta get moving on this because the deadline's coming. Because if you think about it, the floor has to be in. Once the floor is in, then you can put in all the cabinets and everything, and then you can put in the appliances. And so it's like everything kind of goes in order. And then depending on what this rain does, it's gonna slow down the landscaping and the pool build, because obviously when it's pouring rain, you can't be out here in the mud. This is like thick clay mud that we out here in the desert. Did you guys make some good decisions?
Yeah, changed it. So we are gonna do this flooring right here
Okay.
and through the kitchen, like the kitchenette area.
All right.
Because otherwise the carpet we're gonna have to replace.
So we're gonna do carpet in here, but we're gonna have like a strip of that floor.
I misspoke. We're doing a whole flooring this. And then we're gonna do a huge rug.
Ugh,
Huge.
hate that idea.
No.
Yeah.
Jonathan just told me on the idea.
I really don't like rugs at all.
No, it's not a rug. It's this carpet. It's That's as big as the room.
But
That's the reason why.
that's not a rug though. That's carpet.
That's carpet. It's carpet rug.
Is it gonna move though when I'm walking on it or if we're running on it? Is it gonna move? How does it stick to the ground?
Non-slip pad and weight. It's not gonna go anywhere.
I don't know that I like this idea.
It's visually.
I like it being stapled down. It's like all on there nice.
It's basically the same idea, except for instead, because what's gonna happen is
We're gonna trip on the edges when we walk by because it's like that weird edge and we're just like, oh, tripped it up. Oh, it flipped up again or it starts to curl because the water got on it from the pool and it's like the edges start curling.
I think it's a brilliant idea.
Okay, I feel a little bit better about the idea. Now that I think about it, it's more replaceable. It's easier replaceable when you have it that way. And we ruin so much carpet. We do. And if we don't do it this way, then we're gonna have to replace the carpet in the entire studio. And it's expensive because you have to pull everything up and put it back down. But say we are working with slime and slime spills everywhere. Although I guess with COPA coming up, we won't be doing slime ever because we don't want to risk the FTC looking at it. But if we ever do something like something catches on fire, we open a Tesla battery and the lithium ion juices go down and they get all over the carpet, then we could replace that for maybe $300 or $400 and it wouldn't be as big of a deal. And we have wood underneath it, not wood, but it's like a really strong, some sort of flooring material. First I was a little shocked, but I think that's the right decision. Do you guys want to see the paint inside of our house? We painted the inside of our house and we're pretty much done with it. Let's go in it, let me show you. All right, so here is the master bedroom. And we went with the silver satin, which is the same that's in the studio right now. And how do you like it? The ceiling's still white, which we have the super high ceiling. Silver satin inside of here. And then the rest of the house, we didn't do silver satin, right?
No, we didn't.
So yeah, the master is looking good. Let me switch to the wide lens. Here is the master bedroom right now. And we did the same color in the bathroom, right?
No, we did Benjamin Moore Chantilly lace, so it's white.
Oh, a white
and
color.
This is the same color that we did throughout the rest of the house right now as well.
I like this color. Maybe it's just because the window is shining through here, but no, that's nice. It's really bright and happy. This room is all painted right now, but let's go somewhere a little quieter because they're running heaters. So we go into Lincoln's room.
This is a Chantilly lace again, but we're going to do an accent color. So he has built-in shelves all the way up to his window.
Really? Just shelves all the way up? What's he gonna put on there? Just shoes?
Shoes.
Full of shoes. I'm pretty sure this is not Coca-Cola inside of there. That's a little gross.